guys, welcome to Swishmax tutorial. So, I know most of you guys notice that Swishmax is very difficult to understand. So, now I'm going to teach you the basic working procedures in Swishmax, which is the library. So now, here's the problem. I'm going to transfer this clip onto another scene. So, the simple way to do that is to copy this object and paste it to the other scene, which is very applicable to use in Swishmax. But let's say, for example, that you have more than 50 scenes, 60 scenes, or 70 scenes. I don't think that copy pasting the objects is very applicable to use anymore. So first, I'm going to teach you on how to add these objects to the library. So first, click the objects that you want to put in the library. Then the first one, or the first method that we use, is just click or right click the object that you want to go to the library and find the same option, the word add to the library. So which means it refers to the able to these objects enter to the library. So there's another option. So just click the other option. Seen a yellow book icon on the upper right side, then just click this icon and it shows the two options. So it shows the add to the library and link to the symbol. So now we're going to add the clip clone to the add to the library. As you see, there is a window open after you clicking with that option. So this clip clone or this object will be named before we save it to the library. So as you observe, there are three options with corresponding names. So first is the add to object and create a link, which allows them to add the object to the library, and create a link which will to copy all the effects and the scenes that you use to these objects. So the second one is add a copy to the library, which is add the structure of the object that you want to save to the library. Then move to the library, which allows the object to move permanently to the library. So now I'm going to choose add to the library and click the link. So now the object is now added to the library. So I'm going to put the objects to the next scene. So to do that, so first go to the content panel, then click, there is two radio buttons here. So it shows a option to movie or library. So just click the library. Then as you see, there is a folder which contains the movie clips, the shapes, and the audio resources. So based on the format of the clip clone, it is used a movie clip. So first, just spread the movie clips, then you see the clip clone. So to use these objects to the library, all you have to do is to drag you. Now the objects was copied to the other scene. So you learned very much today. So thank you and